Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are studying about chapter 8 movements of a sprite in subject computer. So in previous 3 videos, in part 1, part 2, part 3, like that we have completed the chapter 8 explanation, that is movements of a sprite. Today we will going to do the exercise of this chapter. Before that we will just go through the summary of the chapter and what we have studied in this chapter. I will just click on it one by one, that we have discussed on some subtopics, that is what that topics are there. See here, in movements of a sprite we have discussed on creating a new projects, changing the appearance of a sprite, and then making a sprite say something, then control block menus. In that we have repeating actions, adding, and then last is the what, that is adding sound. Till this we have completed, and we also discussed on these subtopics. So today we will start the exercise. Before that we will do some, let's revive some question and answer like quiz questions. So let's go through on it. Before starting this, let's revive. There is some notes is given here. I want to explain you that notes here. The forever block is used to run the script continuously. The forever block is used to run the script continuously. It will stop only when you click on the red button. Means there is a block, that is forever block. If you will click on forever block, the script will run continuously. You don't have to repeat the clicking again and again. Once you have clicked on forever block, the script must automatically run continuously. It will stop only when you will click on the red stop button. I told you, if you want to stop the scripts, then you have to click on the red stop button. So students, after that we will start the let's revive, that is answer in one word, that is quiz type question and answer. So we will go through on it. So see here, in this question number 1 is, which block menu changes the look of a sprite? I repeat the question again. Which block menu changes the look of a sprite? Can you know which block menu has changed the looks of a sprite? Yeah, that is looks block menu. Answer is looks block menu. Spelling LOOKS, looks, BLOCK, block, and MENU, menu. So looks block menu changes the looks of a sprite. Now come to the next, that is second one. In how many ways can a new sprite costume be added? Can you know in how many ways you can add a new sprite costume? Yeah, it is how many ways? We have 4 ways. In 4 ways we have to add a new sprite costume. Okay, in 4 ways we have to add a new sprite costume. Now third one, see here, second answer is 4 ways. Now third is, what is the default text written in a speech bubble on the scratch stage? I repeat the question. What is the default text written in a speech bubble on the scratch stage? Can you guess it, students? Which is the default text is written in a speech bubble? Yeah, what is it is? The answer is hello. 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 Hello is the default text which is written in speech bubble on the scratch stage. So by this we have completed our let's revive answer question answer. Now we will just go through the summary of the chapter. See here, this is the summary of the chapter. You can change the appearance of a sprite in a Scratch project. You can change the appearance of a sprite in a Scratch project. Then second point is what? The look block menu has blocks that can change the look of a sprite. Then you can add a new costume of the sprite. And then fourth point is the sprite uses a speech bubble to show text on the stage. And the fifth one, the control block menu contains block that controls the execution of a script. And the last point is the sound block menu has blocks to add sound in Scratch projects. The sound block menu has blocks to add sound in a Scratch project. After that, we will go through the exercise A, that is tick the correct answer. That is what? Tick the correct answer. In this, the first one is which of the following tab is used to change the costume of a sprite? So, I repeat the question again. Which of the following tab is used to change the costume of a sprite? Can you guess which tab is used? Yeah, the answer is costume tab. Answer is costume tab is used to change the costume of a sprite. Spelling is COSTUMES, costumes. Now next, that is question number 2. Which of the following block menu allows a sprite to say something on the stage? I repeat the question. Which of the following block menu allows a sprite to say something on the stage? So the answer is what? Can you know which block menu is allow a sprite to say something on the stage? Yeah, it is looks. Which block it is? Looks. Looks blocks menu allows a sprite to say something on the stage. Spelling is LOOKS, looks. First one is what? Costume, and second is look. Now come to the next, that is third. In question number 3, what is the name of the button that is used to stop a running script? I repeat it. What is the name of the button that is used to stop a running script? Can you know? We have 3 options: stage, red stop button, block. And the correct answer is red stop button. The correct answer is red stop button is a button that is used to stop a running script. Spelling is RED, red, STOP, stop, BUTTON, button. Now come to the next, that is question number 4. Which of the following block menu is used to add some sound in a project? I repeat again. Which of the following block menu is used to add some sound in a project? The answer is, can you guess which one? We have 3 options: motion, sound and pen. And the correct answer is B, sound. SOUND, sound. Means the sound block menu is used to add some sound in a project. So by this we have completed our first exercise, that is tick the correct answer. Now come to the next, second one, that is exercise B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here in this we have 4 questions. One by one we can go through each and every question. See, first one is what? A new project in Scratch opens up with the default dash sprite. A new project opens up with the default dash sprite. Can you guess the answer? Yes. Whenever we are opening the Scratch project, which default sprite should be available on the stage? Yeah, it is cat. It is cat. Spelling is C-A-T. Cat. The cat sprite is open up by default on a new project in Scratch. Now come to the next, that is second one. The dash blocks menu. The dash blocks menu has blocks that can change the look of a sprite. I repeat, the dash block menu has blocks that can change the look of a sprite. And the answer is what? Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. The looks block menu has blocks that can change the look of a sprite. Then question number third. The sprite uses a dash bubbles to show text on the stage. I repeat it. The sprite uses a dash bubble to show text on the stage. Which bubble? Yes, speech bubble. The spelling is S-P-E-E-C-H. Speech bubble. Then fourth one. The dash block menu contains blocks that control the execution of a script. I repeat, the dash block menu contains blocks that controls the execution of a script. And the answer is control block. The answer is control block. Spelling is C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Control block. So by this we have completed exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Now come to the next, that is exercise C. True or false. Exercise C. True or false. In this we have 4 questions. We will just go through it one by one. So let's start. First one is a sprite cannot say anything on the stage in Scratch. A sprite, is it student? A sprite cannot say anything on the stage in Scratch. इसका मतलब है, I will explain it in this sentence. इन स्क्रैच विंडो स्प्राइट कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग. स्प्राइट जो है स्क्रैच विंडो में स्टेज पर कुछ भी नहीं बोलता है. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? या इट इज़ फॉल्स. वाई इट इज़ फॉल्स? बिकॉज अ स्प्राइट कैन से समथिंग. क्योंकि स्प्राइट स्क्रैच विंडो में स्टेज पर स्प्राइट को हम चाहें तो वो बोल सकता है. बट इट सेंटेंस इज सेइंग दैट स्प्राइट कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. F-A-L-S-E. False. Now come to the next, that is second one. The costume of a sprite can be changed using the costumes tab. I repeat the question. The costume of a sprite can be changed using the costume tab. Is it? The costume of a sprite can be changed by using the costume tab? Yes, this statement is true. T-R-U-E. True. So this is second. First one is false and second is true. Now come to the next, that is third one. The stop button is used to run a script in Scratch. I repeat the question. The stop button is used to run a script in Scratch. Is it, student? This statement is true? Yeah? Is it? क्या stop button जो है स्टॉप बटन हम का यूज़ हम स्क्रैच पे स्क्रिप्ट को रन करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं? नो, इट्स नॉट. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज false. Okay, the stop button is not used to run a script in Scratch. So answer is false. 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 Okay. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. There are many inbuilt costumes stored in its library. Is it? I repeat the question. There are many inbuilt costumes stored in its library. Yes, we have many inbuilt costumes which has already stored in its library. So this statement is true. 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 So students, by this we have completed exercise A, B and C. So please all of you go through on it, fill your books and also write in your fair copy exercise A, B and C. In the next video, I will send you the answer the following questions. So please be active with your study. Go through all the videos, and also take care of your health. Also, we will meet in the next video with the explanation of question and answer. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye.